Hey people, Kiara here from iDigi Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business using my lead gen secrets. Alright, so usually people get multiple accounts on my lead gen secrets to do this, but we're only going to use one account, and I want to show you that. I just want to get your foot in the door. I want to show you the absolute laziest way to make money online. Alright guys, so if you're interested in following along, links are in the description. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell, and let's get started. Alright, so first off, I want to speak on why I like promoting the $25 business and their company Home Business Academy. For the main reason is because of their affiliate system. It's 80% commissions, guys. Every product that they have, you get 80% commissions for getting a sale for being an affiliate. Alright guys, but in particular, the $25 business has 80% recurring commissions, guys. That means you get paid every single month. Every single month. The last time I got a sale was at the beginning of the month. Alright, look at all this money I'm making anyway, you know. But we're gonna get to that. So let's look at our results here, see what's going on. We're gonna refresh the page, guys. We're gonna refresh the page to show you guys real results here. Alright, so boom. As you see, I did not get a sale yesterday, but I did get a rebill today. I did get a rebill today. $100 always a rebill. You can't get that product without, you know, what I promote. The product that I promote, you get it for 2 weeks for free, and then you have to pay. So yeah, that's always a rebill. So it's not a new sale. So like I said before, most of these are rebills, guys. I'm making money off of sales I got months ago. Okay, that's what I'm trying to say. Why these sales on this product is very important. It's very easy to build your income when it's like this. All right, so this is what we're gonna do. I need you guys to follow along. It's a very simple process, and we're gonna get to it. All right, so first off, you want to get your link. You want to become an affiliate for the $25 business or something like that. All right, so first off, you need to go to my page here, and you'll see one of my videos. Any of my videos, I have a link, and of this right here in the description. You'll see step 1 and step 2. Now we're gonna focus on step 1 for right now, and we need incomespeaksales.com. So all you gotta do is click on that. Right, it'll take you to this page. Take you to this page here. All it does is talks about how much money you can make and all that good stuff with the all-in-one $25 business. You can read through it. It's a lot of information if you want to. Very interesting information, and it might convince you if you have questions. You know what I mean? So anyway, once you decide, hey, I want to try this out, click on any of the green buttons throughout it, and it'll take you to this page here. Now on this page here in particular, guys, all you need to do is put in your information about the product. All right, it's a very simple process. Now I recommend you click on this to add the 14-day free test drive for the $100 product here, which is HBA Premium, which is training to show you guys how to get sales and so on and so forth in a bunch of various different ways, ads and whatever, how to set up ads and all that good stuff. And it's constantly updated every single month. They even have a content machine where you just type in, I want this, and they'll give it to you. I want a caption, I want an email, I want an article, whatever it is, you can just do that. All right guys, so yeah, get that for 14 days. Now, the reason why I clarify this and why this is so important, guys, I want to make sure I explain this to you guys before you start this. For you need to have the product to get commissions for it. So, for example, if you were to come through here and do not get this, right, and then purchase this for $25, I'll get the $20, and yeah, you'll be able to get $20 out of the $25 from other people that sign in. But if you the person you get signed in come through, they get this and they get this right here, you will get the $20 for the $25, but you would not get the $100 from the $125. So you have to have both products, guys, if you want to make a lot of money. You want to really scale. All right, so yeah, I want to make sure I clarify that. because I lost some sales because I didn't get that right away. All right. So yeah, I want to make sure I clarify that. But anyway, once you get your sales right, you do all your information, you'll get to a page that looks something. It's my Discord. My bad. You'll get to a page something like this. And I'm logging real quick. You'll get to this page here. Eventually, one of these right here. And what you need to do at the top here, you click on the affiliate zone here. Click on affiliate zone. Also, I want to explain the Financial Literacy Academy real quick. Now, you're going to be offered a deal for this for 3 days. 3 days, it's going to be $500. I don't really explain this. I don't really talk about this. Most people don't get it, but I'm gonna go ahead and explain it for you guys real quick. Financial Literacy Academy is basically about taxes and stuff like that, teaching you how to do it correctly and be able to save most of your money. It's a bunch of other stuff too, but that's like the main grip. It's $500 if you get it within the first 3 days of your purchase. Now, if you don't get it within the first 3 days of your purchase, it's $1,000. All right, so it's $1,000 normally, but if you click on my link, they'll offer it for $500 for the first 3 days. All right, so if you can afford it, I recommend going ahead and grabbing it for $500, guys. But yeah. But anyway, let's keep it moving here. Let me go and continue on where I'm at. So you want to click on the affiliate zone here. All right. By the way, there's videos explaining all of this. I'm just doing a quick abridged version of it, right? So you want to sign up for the affiliate program here. You click on that. It's going to take you to this page here. And all you got to do is the basic information. You just sign up, right? Sign up real quick. And then you log into SoundCard. And that's going to take you to this page here. This page where I'm getting paid on. It's showing me all my money, getting paid and all that good stuff. All right. Now, you just scroll down, find the all-in-one $25 business sales letter. That's the link that I've been using. Works really well. Been getting sales off of it. That's the one I say do. You can try others if you want to, but this is the one that's been working for me. All right, guys. So you're done with step 1. You got your link. All right. So the next thing you need to do here is you want to go to my step 2 here. Step 2, my lead gen secrets. You click on this, right? It's gonna take you to this page. Now, this page is gonna be talking about. If you want to watch the video, he's gonna explain in detail what the my lead gen secrets actually is. But TLDR, you get 100 leads every single day that you could email once a day. All right. So these 100 emails are interested in making money. So this is perfect for our product. It's all about making money. So this is why you want to use this system. I've seen people get sales on other stuff. 'Cause at the end of the day, these are people. So they might buy other stuff as well, but they sign up to this system for offers about making money online. All right. So they're interested in making money. So it's a easier sell, so to speak, than just random people. So you just log in, make your account, whatever it be. Now you can click on this, you'll show all your leads and stuff like that. You can click on this, you can get buy master email swipes if you want to. I show you a ton of email swipes. Plus, if you got HBA Premium, you can always ask the content machine to make you an email if you want to. Then we're gonna go to the mailing system here. That's the one you want to click on. So you click on all your 100 leads, whatever it may be. You probably don't have 100 leads. Don't worry about that. You can still get sales. So I've seen people get sales. Like one of my smaller accounts actually performs better than this account. So don't worry about that. Don't worry about it. It's simply a numbers game, simply people. It depends on who signed up. They're interested in your product or not. These are actual people. So it can be kind of random sometimes. So anyway, I'm gonna use my email here. I'm gonna go to my next email here. I'm gonna use this email here. You can copy it, pause, and copy that if you want to use my email. It's very simple. I'm gonna pause and show you the whole email here, guys. Blah 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 blah. Right? Blah blah blah. Pause. Copy. Blah blah blah. Pause. Copy. All right. Pause, copy. That's all it is. Now you put your link right here, guys. Get in the system today. Very simple process. You just click on this right here. Now once you're done putting your email in, you want to click on perfect timing. That's going to send the email around time. People check email. So it'll pop up around 8 o'clock or whatever time they check their emails all the time. It just assumes when they're gonna check it. So it's a better chance of them reading the email and checking it out. And what you want to do when you make these emails, if you're interested in writing your own, you want to make them very short. Because think about when you read emails, you don't want to read a essay. You want to read something real quick to get to the point real quick. They tend to work much better than an essay or a story or all that. So yeah, do that. And make sure to preview the link. Make sure your link works, guys, so you can actually get paid here. Make sure your link works. All right, boom. All right, so you just send the email, boom, and then you're done. That's all it takes, guys. You do this every single day, you're gonna be good. Now, for example, actually, once you get your emails in, this is all you really need to do, because you already got your link and all that stuff fit together. So all you really need to do is just load up a saved email and send it. That's gonna take you 10 seconds a day. You just do that every day. And if you got multiple accounts, it might take you a little longer. So you sign in all the accounts, send the email, and then keep it moving, and get a ton of sales, guys. This works. It's been working for me, and I know it'll work for you guys. All right, guys. So if you're interested in following along, links are in the description below. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.
Bye. Have a beautiful time.